Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 2 divided by s to the power of 4. We can write into this way. And we have this one over s to the power of 4. Now I will go this one first. The integration of this one, we have s to the power of 4 plus 1 over negative number 4 plus 1, and we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. And now we have the final answer. So we calculate about this one, and we got 7 over 12. Now we have this one left. So we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to 2 sine t. ds we have 2 cosine t dt. Because if we put this one go in here, we have 4 sine t square. Number 4, we can do by factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change for cosine t square, and later that we simplify by the square root. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to number 1, we put number 1 in here. Later that, we divide both sides by number 2. And we can find about t equals to b over 6. Because sine of b over 6, we have 1 over 2. When s equal to number 2, 2 divided by 2, we have 1. So t in here equals to b over 2. So we put this one go in here. This one go in here. S we change for this one. And this one. The S we change for this one. So we have 4 sine t square. Number 4, we can do by factorization. This one we change for cosine t square. The square root of this one, we have 2 cosine t. Number 2 multiplied by number 2 divided by 2 to the power of 4. We have 1 over 4. Cosine t, we have cosine t square. Next, I will put about cosine t over sine t square multiplied by 1 over sine t square. And this one we change for cosine t. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equal to cosine t, or cosine t, sorry. dz we have negative 1 over sine t squared dt. Because we don't have the negative, so we put the negative next to dz. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when t equals to b over 6, we can find the value of z equals to the square root of number 3. When t equals to b over 2, so z equal to number 0. This one we change for the square root of number 3. This one we got 0. This one we change for z. This one we change for negative dz. The integration of z square, we have z to the power of 3 over 3. And we put the bounds from the square root of number 3 to number 0. And now we have the final answer. So we have the square root of number 3 over 4. And now we combine the answer. This one, we have the negative, so we need to minus about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.